Hello guys, here's my fast lap at Worldkarts Kortrijk. Now, as we're heading just before the last corner, we want to take it as wide as possible, so we have a good straight line speed for the first corner. As we're heading down for the first corner, we want to get as wide as possible, turn in pretty early, get on the brakes pretty lightly, stay here to the right as most as possible, get a bit of your gas and then back early on the power, so we have good speed for the next upcoming corners. Now here, we want to take it very smoothly, want to brake very little and make sure we don't touch the left side. Now we're having this good straight line speeds, so we're going to also carry that into the next corner. So we brake pretty lightly, make sure we get it turned in, and be very early on the gas. Now we have again a good straight line speed, and we want to make sure we utilize it. So now we brake very hard, then get very lightly on the brake, and then make sure here you go a bit wide and you also steer very smoothly into the corner, so you still have a good speed onto the last corner. Now into the last corner, we want to brake also very lightly and turn as less as possible, and that is a fast lap around the Worldkarts Kortrijk.